Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Starting with the base and casters, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Next, insert the extension tube into the base, then insert the footrest, followed by the gas lift with cover. Make sure the arrow on the mechanism is facing the front of the seat cushion. Line up your mechanism with the screw holes on the bottom of the seat cushion. With a Phillips screwdriver, firmly tighten each screw in an alternating cross fashion. Next, connect your backrest to the bottom of the seat cushion with the included L-bar screws. Next, we will attach the armrest. Start by connecting one armrest to the seat cushion using M630 screws. Flip the chair over and repeat the process to attach the second arm. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift.